Hi everyone, today we're doing a really quick unboxing video with the Fanvil I33V. Before we get into it, let's have a look at the label on the box. So as you can see, it is the Fanvil I33V. We've got our serial number, our MAC addresses, etc. on the front of the box. Let's open it up and have a look. Fair amount of packaging on the top. We have got some proxy cards, mounting instructions, more packaging, screws and etc. All the bits you need to mount the unit, and then our i33V, which has got a camera, a display screen on it, a full keypad, plus single dial keys and proxy card reader. So you can access buildings that way, this way, or by calling. And that's the Fanvil i33V.